Hello friends, welcome to TripsCard channel. In this video, we will take you to the virtual tour to Andaman for 3 nights and 4 days. So let's begin with the day 1. On day 1 of your trip, you will reach Veer Savarkar Airport of Port Blair from your hometown. Upon arrival at Port Blair, you will get airport pickup for your pre-booked hotel. After a small break, first day sightseeing will begin, covering Cellular Jail, Caribbean Cove Beach, light and sound show at Cellular Jail. Cellular Jail is one of the most historically significant monuments in the Andaman Island. The wall of this jail holds many stories of great Indian freedom fighters. This is also referred to as Kala Pani, meaning black water in Hindi. Next place is Caribbean Cove Beach. Encircled by the lush green coconut palms, the Caribbean Cove Beach is one of the most busy beaches in Andaman Islands. The number of food outlets here provides tourists with a wide variety of tasty dishes, which can be enjoyed with a view of beach. Later proceed to Cellular Jail for light and sound show. The light and sound show is one of the most engaging attractions that Port Blair has to offer. It is a perfect blend of both information and entertainment. After that, return back to hotel. End of day 1. Let's begin with the day 2. Have a healthy breakfast at Port Blair Hotel as you have to start your journey to Havelock Island today. After breakfast, you will get dropped to Phoenix Bay Jetty, from where you will take private ferry to Havelock Island. The distance between Port Blair and Havelock is 70 kilometers, and the ferry takes 2.5 hours of journey. On arrival at Havelock Harbour, you will get dropped to pre-booked resort. Have some rest and relax at the resort. Later proceed for Radhanagar Beach. Havelock is a home to a number of great attractions, including our beautiful Radhanagar Beach. Speaking of this beach, Radhanagar is ranked the best and the most beautiful beach in Asia, which you will realize why when you arrive this place. Spend your time laying down, swimming and enjoying the amazing beach. Evening, return back to resort. End of day 2. Let's start third day of the trip. Have a tasty breakfast at the resort. Check out from the resort and proceed towards Elephanta Beach. Elephanta Beach is one of the most popular beaches in Havelock Island due to its clear water and water sports activities. The beach is located 8 kilometers from the jetty and is considered as water sports heaven in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Popular water sports activities are jet ski ride, parasailing, sea walking, snorkeling. Later get transferred to Havelock Harbour to take private ferry to Port Blair. This sea journey will take another 2.5 hours time to reach. After reach to Phoenix Bay Jetty, you will be transferred to pre-booked hotel at Port Blair. End of day 3. Day 4, departure day. After breakfast at the Port Blair Hotel, you will get dropped to Port Blair Airport. Return home with sweet memories of this exotic destination. the Andaman Islands.
Sandy beaches to snowy peaks. Tripscart.com